right, guys, fresh head is going on today. I am just getting some things fastened on real quick. Pardon me if I sound all congested. I'm feeling like crap right now. I'm pretty sick. We're gonna go ahead and mate the new, we have our new OEM head gasket. We're gonna go ahead and mate that on now. So I'm not gonna do much talking, just action. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy. Guys, now we have our ARP head studs. You can see these things here. Pretty self-explanatory. This bottom part is for the bottom of the block. You have the Allen key. That's to basically get these things started, the studs started. So what I'm going to do is just focus on getting the bottoms lubricated first, and then we can worry about lubricating the tops afterwards. All right, guys, just getting to Home Depot now. Hopefully I can find the Allen bit that I need for this ARP stud. Too big, and then this one is too small. See all that play right there? Look at that. Just kidding, guys. I found it. I should have known. It's standard. It's standard, not metric. I think it even says that right in the ARP instructions. But ARP, you need to switch your stuff to metric. All right, we don't like that standard crap. Head is officially on. Super stoked, guys. Trying to get this oil pin off right now. Right now, guys, we're just working on the oil pump tensioner, the chain tensioner, and the chain, guys. So bought a brand new tensioner. I was just gonna send it with the oil pump, but as you guys can see right here, there's a little bit of wear on the guide. Now everything's timed. The oil pump is timed. You can see the timing mark there, and then I'm on top dead center right there. So honestly, guys, I'm looking at the oil pump chain, and realistically, I don't want to have to go through. You can't remove this chain unless you take the oil pump out, right? And then you have to like fit it in. Like, unless I was doing the Type S pump, which is like half this size and way easier to install, like, I don't want to go through the hassle of pulling this whole thing off. And I honestly think the chain is fine, guys. I read in the one of the manuals, people just replace the tensioners, honestly, because realistically, I don't think a chain is going to fail unless you run the thing dry, super low on oil. So right now, plus my engine stand is all jacked up, guys. This, there was no mounting point on this side for a screw. So literally I got this thing finagled. So I can only tilt this so far or this thing's going to pop out, and it's only supported by 2 on the front. So we're doing this a little hack right now, but let's make this work. All right, hopefully this is the last day that I have to bolt on, you know, internal engine accessories, timing, camshafts, rocker arm assembly right here, as you guys can see.